Hello, welcome back in Unreal Engine 5 skill tree tutorial. Today, I'm gonna make that you can unlock ability with your skill tree. So, I make videos about simple ability system, 2 videos. One, how to make it work, and second one, how to make inventory for it. So today we're gonna combine it. If you haven't watched that videos, I recommend you to do it. And then we're gonna combine them too. So when you unlock, so when you go to a skill tree, when you got ability inventory, there will be nothing. But then when you unlock it in skill tree, it will appear with there. Okay. So to start, we're gonna open our ability system component. So from the tutorial I made, it's important to make it work. Well, basically you have to watch the 2 videos. They're quite long. They're both about 50 minutes. Yeah. It all makes sense if you watch it. I don't think there's much you can learn it without watching it, but there may be something. There will be a link in the description. You can find on my channel. Maybe something will pop it out here soon in the corner as well. But yeah. So first, what we wanna do, we're gonna make new function. It's gonna be unlock ability. Okay, so once we go unlock ability, what we want to do, we want to add name. So name and its ID. The same as we do in all our skill tree abilities, skill tree. We're gonna track it with ID to find the right ability. So we're gonna use our abilities, and then we're gonna loop for each. So as you know, we got I created that's empty one. Wow, that's the one we got here and it's unlocked, but we're gonna search it, it's not unlocked. So when you go in the game and then you press nothing here, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna loop for each. Then you want to break as abilities, and we want to make sure it's equal with this ID. And then we do branch, and if it's equal, what we want to do, we wanna set array element. That's on true. Make it nice at the top. And you wanna connect index. So it's exactly same like we always do with all the skill tree system. And now what you want to say, make. And then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna connect it here. And I'm gonna connect it here. And I'm gonna just do that is unlock. Boom. And that basically is very simple. But what else we want to do, we want to add dispatcher on ability unlocked or update. Maybe update, because it's not always gonna be with unlock. We just want to update the inventory system that we got here. So basically it's just the ability appear or disappear. Okay, so once we have it, we just add it on the end. Call, no, didn't do call, that was fine. Call. Okay, and that's it. So that's it that we got in this. So we can leave that place now, and we're gonna go to skill tree. We're gonna go to skill tree component, and from the skill tree component, what you want to do, you wanna do unlock skill. And in unlock skill, no, actually no. First what we wanna do, we're gonna go to our skill tree asset, and we want new. Let's duplicate it. We want a new skill tree data asset. I'm gonna name it energy ball. Okay, and basically what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna set it as none because it's none of it. Levels, it's gonna just have one level. You can play around with it and add it, for example, on the first level, it's gonna be that strong, you know. On second level, it's gonna be that strong, you know, this ability. But I'm not playing with that. It's just for unlocking. So basically, just add one icon. Where's the icon? I got energy ball icon, energy ball, and right, and that's all set. So what you want to do now, we want to go to the UI, and we're gonna open our skill tree, and we're gonna open skill tree, and in here we want to choose where our what is it called, sorry, we want to set where is it gonna go. Yeah, so let's say in this skill tree, after we're gonna remove this portion, and after agility 2, or maybe somewhere, I don't want to remove it, but okay, just we change it. So yeah, so let's say energy ball, that's the idea. So we make sure we copy it, we leave it at it is tag, and we want to change, no, we don't want to change anything here. It's fine. So what you want to do next, you want to go here back, unless you want to set, no, sorry, you want to go back here, skill tree 1, and after agility 2, the child after installed, oh my god, it was portion 2 or portion 3. Let's quickly see, portion 3. Okay, so after portion 3, too many open windows. So after portion 3, we put this one instead, so it's unlocked. There's no ability to unlock, but you know, the next skill in the skill tree is unlocked, so you can press it. That's why we're setting up here. And then we want my Steam pop out. I should turn it off before recording, but well, I didn't even realize what it was, but doesn't really matter. Okay. So what we want to do, I will save it. We're looking for portion 3. Instead of portion 3, we're gonna have energy ball, and we put here because it's not gonna unlock anything, and we just choose energy ball here. And as you see, it's here. We should have better icon that match all of this style, but I couldn't find anything online. So yeah, so that's what we got. It doesn't look great, you barely can see it, but guys, when you do your skill tree, make sure you got nice images and stuff. I don't have anything yet, so it's just for testing and to show you guys. But yeah, so anyway, that's all done, perfect, it works. Yeah, so next we want to do, we want to be in unlock. Is that unlock? Yes. And we're gonna go skill tree 1, and we gonna pop it somewhere here. We're gonna pop it somewhere in, we got add ability, that's all work. I didn't look at this for a while, to be honest. I didn't look at this system for a while, for like a week. Yeah, I done it. Like this ability, I'm just showing you now. I done it like maybe 2 weeks ago. something like this on my own project, and I'm sharing with you guys now. Actually, someone suggested in comment, I was like, you know what, actually I do it. It took me a little bit to figure out how it's all work, the ability system, ability inventory, but yeah, I learned it and I'm sharing my knowledge now with you. So what we want to do first, we want to, on beginning play, we want to get player, get player character, and then get ability component. Everyone should have it who watch. But if you watch my skill tree tutorial, you know about ability, about component manager interface. But yeah, but if you watch from ability simple system, you watched it already, you should have it. So yeah, and then promote it to variable. And once we have it, we go back to unlock. And obviously you want to put it everywhere, or you don't need to put everywhere, but wherever you got branch, well, that unlock the skill. And then we're gonna unlock ability, connect it here, and we're gonna add ID. Now, I think, to be honest, it should work now. Let's see. Okay, so we see. Maybe I forgot about something. As you see, it doesn't work, and then you unlocked it, and no, it doesn't work. You know what doesn't work? Because we have to go in ability inventory. And now what you want to do in the ability inventory, yeah? You wanna get ability system, which we got here, and you wanna bind event to on ability update. And we want to create, create event, and we're gonna choose our load ability. Now you see it's nothing here. We unlock it, and boom, it's here. And then you can work. Oh, and it's gonna work. Which bottom is it? And as you see, it's all work. Yeah, you can see on the left side it's taking my stamina away. So yeah, I didn't set up that you cannot use it if you run out of stamina. I may make video with do improvements about my ability system, like adding cooldown and all the other stuff. That's probably in future. But yeah, so if you see, that all works. So the next thing we wanna do is now, okay, you unlock it, great, you have it here, you add it, and then yeah, it's work. You reset your skill tree, and you still have it. So what we're gonna do, obviously I'm gonna do it in next episode. I'm gonna make another episode that's gonna show you. It's a very short video, yeah, about 15 minutes. It took me, it's like past 2-3 I think videos, it was like about hour. So yeah, I'm happy to make quick short content. So yeah, in next video I'm gonna show you. I'm not honest because I know that you can follow exactly steps that we do with resetting skill tree and stuff like this to figure out how to reset it here. But the other thing is that it's here. I believe even we reset it, that is disappear from here, it will be still here. So I need to have a look what have to be done to remove it from here, if you know what I mean. So even we we reset the skill tree and we shouldn't have it here, but it's gonna be here anyway. So I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna make another video about 10 minutes long, and then because another thing I can put it in both. I want to make it that once you put it here, it's disappear from here, so you cannot like put it in both slots, or maybe still here but you cannot put it in second slot, it not allowed you, something like that. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you for watching. Yeah, I'll see you next time, but also I recommend you, well, if you like my videos and you want to be up to date, does it make sense, up to date with my videos, that makes sense. Well, you can subscribe, simple, you can subscribe so you know where are the videos. You can comment, that would be nice. If you like video, you can say you like it, or you can give me recommendation or questions that you didn't understand something, and also you can give me suggestion, what can I improve, what can I improve about my videos. Maybe it's something I'm like, you don't like my style of how I'm making that tutorials, or you want to tell me so I can, like, you can suggest I can make some kind of different videos, like for example, you want me to make some different mechanics, some different system, I can have a look into it, learn it, and probably I could make it. Or if you think something in my system can be improved, definitely tell me, because I'm always about improvement. But yeah guys, I see you later.